Hi everybody. Next we are going to discuss about the ARM processor. The processor is very important. Like with coding is a software. The processor is a hardware. The ARM processor is very useful for the embedded systems mainly. The introduction. What is that ARM? That is advanced RISC machines. That is advanced RISC machine architecture is called as a ARM architecture, and it will be a reduced family of instruction set of RISC. Okay, it is a RISC and architecture compared to the processor. Mainly, the ARM holds the architecture becomes the most widely used in the world, powering billions of devices across the various sectors. Because it will be, I already told the embedded system is very useful for the engineers and the young engineers, and the real application able to incorporate. So the developed ARM holding many applications, and a processor known their power efficiency and scalability and performance, making idea for the range in the application from the mobile devices to servers. And mainly the throughputs of 1990s and 2000s, the ARM processor has gained the widespread adoption in the mobile phones, PDAs, and embedded systems due to the low power consumption and high performance. Because it developed the low power concepts in 1990s and 2000 only. So the VLSI is a giant on that years. So nowadays it developed like anything in VLSI is more applications and all we can able to use with the low power consumptions. And ARM offers many processor families like trailered different applications like Cortex A, Cortex or Cortex M series. We have the Cortex A is which have a high performance applications such as smartphones, tablets, and the automotive information systems, because of the high pitching technology and high information will be very speed. So it will be used for the Cortex A series. You can use for the ARM family. And the Cortex R series mainly optimized for the real-time and safety crucial applications, including the automobile control systems, industrial applications, and the medical devices in the emergency balloon will be open in the car, like that we can use in the Cortex R. And the Cortex M series used for the low power cost and the low effective in the embedded applications, the IoT devices, wearable devices, and consumer managed. Cortex M mainly used for the commercial applications mainly. These are all the ARM family functions. These are the overview architecture of ARM processor. ARM architecture. This is simply in the like ICs, imagine as ICs, and it will be very useful. And it have the WIC, NVIC, ARM core. By using by buses, we have the matrix buses. We can able to interconnect both input and output. This is about MX3, M3, the processor. We can able to give the many serial input and output are used in the multiple devices, and also it is the bidirectional communications available. So both the way we can able to interconnect all the peripheral interconnection devices. So may get input and output in the different ways, and they will have the interconnections of bus with the help of we can able to interconnect with the bus to and execute the programming. Architecture overview. So this is a load and store architecture. That is ARM processor. Usually the load and the store architecture, which is means instructions are operate only on data and registers. In the design, choice simplifies the instructions by acceleration by reducing the memories. Mainly the register-based operation in ARM architecture mostly often involves the data stored in the registers and approach in the minimization and memory, and leading the fast execution of computer architecture where the optimization directly perform on the memory. And the pipeline architectures mainly it will be used for the multiple instruction by the executor of concurrent different stages it will be in pipeline. So based on the line it will be operated by enhancing the throughput and overall performance by use on the pipeline architectures mainly. And instruction sets mainly know the components and compactness and effectively you can use. Use the instruction set with the ISA, that is an instruction set of architecture. We know that it will be useful and quick performance based on the simple architecture to be executed quickly. And ARM embedded in the systems, it's a versatile embedded applications, and also more number of applications we can able to do in the automotive, industrial automation, healthcare, customer electronics. It's a versatility, so we can able to use and we can able to incorporate any new applications and all. And also the reliable and real-time performance. The ARM processor is particularly used for the Cortex R series, designed for the meet and site requirement, the real-time performance and reliability. they can recommend it, they are recommended use it for the electronic control unit, and so it will be used for the fault tolerance performance, it will be used. And also with integration with the sensor network, some microcontroller and integration are for powering sensor unit and the IoT, that's in the nothing devices, and the compared with the powerful devices we can able to use. And it's a high performance computing, integration of mobile devices and integration of evolution of integration and evolution, inversion and evolution. So we can use the Cortex A, we can use it in the integration and lattice technology in the power efficiency and management. And the little architecture we can able to use the mobile devices and the mobile communications, and they flash up in the smartphones and the tablets, and the performance will be executed and crucial for delivering the smartphones and etc. This is down Cortex R series. This is the real-time embedded application. That's R series designed for real-time embedded applications. It requires the deterministic the percent of the high reliability and control the medical devices and where the failure in operations. That's the main application in the automobile electronics, and the fault tolerance and error detection mainly used for the Cortex R series, and it will be used for the error correcting code, that is ECC we are using, to build a hardware redundancy and to enhance the reliability and other performance will be used, and also support the safety standard that some Cortex are in the ISO, that is 26262, that will be very useful for the safety purpose and standard, and IC that is IEC, that's 61508 used for the industrial control applications. So main application of Cortex R programming series. And this is the another Cortex M series. It is a low power consumption, low operation, to be very useful. The microcontroller applications are very useful. So integration purpose we can able to use for